welcome to another video. Today we're going to sort out my wife's car. So you can see the plastic trim has really faded, it's gone white. So what I'm going to do is to permanently sort it out. What I'm going to use is this. It's a permanent dye, so it's going to sort it out. I'm going to put it on with a cloth, and I've got a glove just in case I dye my hand. So let's go and sort it out. First of all, what I'm going to do is to dampen the cloth. And then I'll add the dye to the cloth and then just wipe it on evenly. Probably be a good idea just to mask it up if you're going to do it, just so it doesn't go over the edges too much. Well, it hasn't turned out too badly in the end. I've done the other side here. It might just need to dry a little bit more. So that's another job done. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.